Hello everyone, I'm Trishanubani, scientist from India Meteorological Department. I welcome you all to the daily weather briefing. So first let's talk about the last 24-hour weather realized. There is a isolated very heavy rainfall incident was reported over the states, specifically over the northeastern state, Assam and Meghalaya, Tripura, and also over the South Himalaya and West Bengal, over central India, East Madhya Pradesh, East India, Orissa, and in South India there is a Tamil Nadu. So over all these states, isolated very heavy rainfall incident was reported. And if you look at the heavy rainfall, some of the states like in the western part of the India, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and also West Madhya Pradesh receive good amount of rainfall. And also over the coastal and south interior Karnataka, and also over the Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, and also over Konkan, Goa, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, and Sikkim, all these states receive heavy amount of rainfall. If you look at the weather highlights, southwest monsoon situation is going on, and that southwest monsoon has further advanced over most part of the Madhya Pradesh and also remaining part of the Chhattisgarh, coastal Andhra Pradesh, remaining part of the northwest Bay of Bengal, over entire Orissa and also entirely Gangetic West Bengal, most part of the Jharkhand and Bihar, some more parts of the southeast Uttar Pradesh by today, that is 20th June. And also, we are expecting intense spell of rainfall along the west coast of India during the next 5 days. Also, we are expecting thunderstorm activity associated with isolated heavy showers over north, central, and east India during the next 2 days. So these are the rainfall realized during the last 24 hours. You can see over the northeastern state Tripura, Gomti district, Amarpur station received 18 centimeter of rainfall. And if you look at the South Himalaya and West Bengal and Sikkim, in Jalpaiguri district, Neora received 17 centimeter of rainfall. And also some other information for the different stations and associated rainfall is given over the different state. Like if you look at the Assam and Meghalaya, over East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, station Cherrapunji and Shela, each station received 12 centimeter of rainfall. And also over West Rajasthan, in Nagaur district, Makarana received 8 centimeter of rainfall. Like over different states and the stations and the rainfall informations all are given here. You can clearly see that. So now let's talk about the synoptic system. As we discussed yesterday, today also there is a WD which was present yesterday. That WD is presently lies over the Jammu Kashmir and its neighborhood Pakistan region as a cyclonic circulation in 4.5 and 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level. And also there is a cyclonic circulation you can see here over the western Uttar Pradesh region, which extend from 3.1 kilometer onward up to 4.5. And also there is a trough which is extending from that west part of the Uttar Pradesh up to the Bangladesh across the east UP and Bihar, also over the West Bengal, Gangetic West Bengal mainly. Apart from this, there is another trough which is extending from South Chhattisgarh up to the south of coastal Andhra Pradesh, and one more offshore trough is there in the mean sea level which runs from the south of Maharashtra up to the northern part of the Kerala. You can clearly see over these pictures. Now, if you look at the advancement of the southwest monsoon, as we already discussed, southwest monsoon has mostly covered most part of the Madhya Pradesh and remaining part of the Chhattisgarh and coastal Andhra Pradesh, remaining part of the northwest Bay of Bengal, entire Orissa, Gangetic West Bengal, most part of the Jharkhand and Bihar, some parts of the southeast Uttar Pradesh by today, that is on 20th June. And if you look at the different locations and the latitude, longitude of the northern limit, which is given here, that northern limit is passes through the stations like Porbandar, Baroda, Shivpuri, Rewa, Churk, and also the different latitude, longitude in between these stations are also given here. You can clearly see that. So now we'll talk about the rainfall and thunderstorm forecast and warning for the next 5 days. As we already discussed, there are some synoptic system is already present over the India and its surrounding region. You can see there is a offshore trough as we already discussed, and also there is a strong westerly wind along the west coast of India, and also a trough from the South Chhattisgarh up to the south coastal Andhra Pradesh at lower tropospheric level. So under the influence of all these systems, we are expecting fairly widespread rainfall with thunderstorm lightning over Karnataka, Konkan and Goa, Kerala and Mahe, and also over the Lakshadweep. And scattered to fairly widespread rainfall is likely over Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Andhra Pradesh, Yanam, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu, also over Puducherry and Karaikal during all next 5 days. Isolated heavy rainfall is also expecting over Konkan and Goa, Ghat area of Madhya Maharashtra, Kerala and Mahe, coastal and south interior Karnataka and Gujarat region during next all 5 days. North interior Karnataka, Saurashtra on 23rd and 24th, and coastal Andhra Pradesh during 20 to 22nd, and over Telangana and Rayalaseema on 20 to 21st June. Isolated very heavy falls also likely over Konkan and Goa during next 5 days. Another system is there, the western disturbance at the middle tropospheric level, and also there is a southwesterly wind from the Arabian Sea to the northwest India at lower tropospheric level. So under the influence of that system, fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with thunderstorm and lightning activity is very likely over western Himalayan region like Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, also over the Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Scattered to fairly widespread rainfall over adjoining plains are also expecting like Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan during next 2 days. And we are expecting the reduction of this kind of weather activity after that. Isolated heavy rainfall is also likely over East Rajasthan on 20th, that is today, and West Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir on today and tomorrow, and over Himachal Pradesh and Punjab on tomorrow. Scattered to fairly widespread rainfall with thunderstorm and lightning activity is also very likely over Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh during next 5 days. Isolated heavy rainfall is also very likely over West Madhya Pradesh on today, East Madhya Pradesh on today and tomorrow, Vidarbha during 21 to 24th of June, and over Chhattisgarh during 20 to 24th June. Another system is there like over the northeastern part, like the southerly and southwesterly wind are propagating from Bay of Bengal to the northeast India and the adjoining East India. So under the influence of that southerly or southwesterly, widespread rainfall is very likely over northeast India and also South Himalaya and West Bengal and Sikkim region during next 5 days. And also isolated heavy rainfall is likely to continue over Assam, Meghalaya during next 5 days, and over Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura on 20th, that is today, 23rd and 24th of June. Fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with thunderstorm and lightning is very likely over Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal during all next 5 days. Isolated heavy rainfall is likely over Bihar on today and 24th, Jharkhand on during 22nd and 24th, and Gangetic West Bengal on 21st and 24th, and over Odisha during 20 to 24th. So this is the weather warning map for next 5 days. You can see today almost most of the part of the India is covered by the yellow warning. So all the people over those regions need to be updated with the weather informations. And we are expecting the heavy rainfall and thunderstorm lightning conditions over all this region. And specifically the Konkan, Goa or the west coast of India are going to experience a heavy rainfall spell. And also on 21st also the similar situation is there. If you look at our 22nd onward over the northern part of the India and also western India, there is a we are expecting the reduction of weather kind of situation. The rainfall and thunderstorm kind of situation will be reduced on 22nd onward. But over the northeast India, the situation may be almost similar, but there is a slight reduction of the heavy rainfall activity. But the orange warning is given for all 5 days for the Konkan Goa region. You can clearly see through this map. So these are the different IMD app like Monsoon, Damini, Magdut. All these apps are available in Android as well as in the iOS platform. You can also check those apps and download in your mobile and be updated with the weather information. And also you can visit our Facebook, Twitter and Instagram page and be updated with all weather related information. Thank you.